Do not underestimate negative relationships. You have a deep bond with those who hate, fear, or envy. Time to dissolve that. Unhealthy relationships can be a widespread issue, affecting many individuals worldwide. Whether the trouble is with a difficult family member, friend, or romantic partner, dealing with the toxic individuals can be a daunting and draining experience, leaving one feeling helpless and uncertain about how to navigate such situations. Should we try to help them get better? Does there come a clear point where we know we have to just leave? Offers a profound perspective on this matter. Abuse people and look at the best thing one can do for such people. Transform them. If you have a choice, don't deal with them. But if it happens to be someone in your close family or your domestic partner, let's see if you can transform them, or if nothing works, you insult yourself against them. Don't react to anything that they do unless they are getting physically abused. If they are getting physically abused, you leave. You have trees around you and said, scream through the night. They may be cursing the hell out of you, but you do not try to decipher what they are saying, you just listen. You get used to that and you ignore that. You do the same with the abused people. They talk a lot of nonsense, just stop understanding the language for some time. You did everything possible and there is nothing else you can do about this person. But for some reason, you are stuck with them. If it is so, just listen to the sound of their language. Don't attach any meaning to the words that they are saying, because most people anyway don't know what they are talking about. If they knew what they are talking about, they wouldn't be talking sense. The best thing you can do is to try to transform them. If you cannot do that, hand them over to me. If you cannot, if you do not want to be with them, try to go away. If that is not possible, just treat them like insect, compassionately, but not attaching too much importance to what they are saying.